Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I start off this video with, well, probably my favorite car that I've ever seen come into the shop, and it's right here. Ruby Star GT2 RS, non-YSAC package because they wouldn't let him, but it's just the most perfect GT2 RS I've ever seen. The owner just picked this up about 2 weeks ago. He's already put just under 500 miles on it and has driven it hard. Not only do we have this one, but we also have this one that we just did a wrap on and featured it at a show. But these two cars, this is what dreams are made of. Now there isn't a lot of options on this car because this is a PTS colors, meaning a paint to sample, and they do not let you do a paint to sample YSAC package GT2 RS in the US. So we have the basic wheels, or basic, just the stock normal wheels. They're not the magnesium ones like these. So these are YSAC package wheels right here, and these two are just basic wheels which still look just as perfect. You've got the yellow calipers, which just looks awesome with this Ruby Star paint. I don't really know what comes factory from the GT2 RS, but obviously it doesn't have the YSAC stripes, doesn't have the YSAC wheels. YSAC, I'm pronouncing it differently every time because I don't know the official pronunciation of it. But you've got a pretty basic interior. Oh, it's locked. But you got a pretty basic interior. By basic, I mean just absolutely crazy, but no stitching on the seats like this one has. Actually, this one is a YSAC package. So this one, oh, it scared me. It's making noises. This one you can see on the seats, little emblems, embossings that says YSAC. You've got the GT2 RS hood. This car is red underneath, as you can see by the hood stripe right here. So this car is factory red underneath this white, blue, and purple wrap. You've got a, you've got a red center stitching on that one, as on that one it's yellow. That's the first one I've seen in red. Usually they're yellow, so I don't know. I think the seatbelts are red and YSAC, these ones are black. And as far as anything else goes, I don't know, but I gotta pull this car out, pull out the beater and pull the baby in so I can do the oil change. Also this week we had a Ferrari Enzo in here just yesterday. I wasn't able to get videos, it's only in here for like 2 hours, but it's getting a lot of work done to it. I'll show you pictures right here and also right here. Alright, now since I don't really want to film me do the oil change, while the Smart's finishing up, I'm gonna go fill up the Audi. That way, oh man, I can see how dirty it is just out here. Now the best part about owning my car is only one side shows dirt. So it's really easy to wash. I just need to pull it right here, wash off for 1/2, then I'm good to go. So I'm gonna do that right now, and hopefully it's clean. Voila. Actually, I haven't cleaned it yet. You can tell because the ground's still dry. The car's now clean, and I am off to the show. Wow. Probably 1,000 cars here. Heard 5 people say that I look like I'm 12 so far. There's a GT2 RS right there. So now we are heading to see the GT2 RS that showed up to this meet and is parked in the sketchiest spot. I'm going to meet up with some other supercar friends. I'm not sure who's going to be there, but we're going to go on a cruise out to Antelope Island, which is about 30 miles behind me. The awkward moment when you're talking to a cop through your window and your radar goes off, and he asks, "What is that?" I scraped it here, James. Oh no!
Scraped hardcore.
It's wrapped, it's okay.
Yeah, you're gonna want to get the fucking...
How's it going? Yeah.
Hey, all right, what's up, guys?
Hey-o.
How's your splitter? What's up? Hey, just scraped his friend.
It's wrapped, it's good.
Yeah, we need to get him 400 south. Oh, dude, F-Type sounds so good. There we go, now we're catching up to the pack. Oh yeah.
I think I've driven that car before.
Really?
Yeah, I think he wants to also do wrap. Yeah, let's see. If it's like aftermarket wheels, then yeah. Yeah.
No, definitely. Oh my god, dude, that truck is gone.
Look how wide that truck is.
I know, it's clapped out, isn't it? Oh yeah, the truck's all about it. That truck. Yep, filming.
I feel like I should just exit so they pull over everything.
Oh yeah, look, there's someone got pulled over up there. It's crazy. I'm gonna try to zoom in, but oh no. Dude, you're playing it chill, everyone's passing you.
That guy's like, no.
Yeah, he's like,
what's up.
Forget this.
I'm gonna exit early.
Okay. Yeah, do your thing, man. Yeah, because here comes the... See, this guy's probably going to be backup for the guy who just got... Is that an undercover? Oh, no. Sorry, I thought it was...
The Corvette.
The Corvette. No. Dude, yeah, you're perfectly fine. What's going on here?
Going on pads.
Me? Yeah, he's pulling you over.
KA band.
Do you want to keep recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know what side he goes on to.
Probably gonna go on.
Oh, we got that.
Well, that truck wasn't having mud flaps. Didn't have mud flaps.
Hey there,
How's it going, officer?
dude. What's going on? What's going on with all this? The reason I stopped you out of everyone was because you were hanging out the window, and I've got a guy that works for me that saw you doing that.
Okay.
Dude,
Yeah.
well, what's going on?
So-
what is this event?
The sun's out. That's kind of like just cars getting
Okay,
together.
where are you guys out of? Salt Lake?
Salt Lake, yeah.
Salt
well,
Lake.
everyone's
Where's
all
your?
over.
Are you going on a ride? I've been on a lot of motors rides, and like, are you guys going to Idaho? Or
I was following everyone,
okay?
but
The way you guys are driving, that's unacceptable.
All right.
The way you're hanging out the window, you're gonna kill yourself.
yeah.
I need to see your license because I stopped you. I document everything.
All right.
Get the word
Do you
out.
want mine
Are you
too,
guys?
sir?
Yeah, and I need you're the one hanging out the window. Are you guys in communication with each other? Or are you guys just meeting up?
We just met up and then everyone's heading out.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna watch for you guys.
All right.
You guys need to slow down.
We will.
Next time we're impounding cars. I don't care what kind of car you have.
And
We're gonna impound it. It's unacceptable the way that we were having people call in.
All right.
I don't know which cars we're doing it, but weaving in and out, cross the double wide. We'll just
Well,
impound all your cars.
I've learned my lesson, so
Okay,
Yeah.
let me just go check, make sure you don't have warrants, and
All
we'll
right,
get
sir.
you out of here with the lecture.
all right.
I want you
Okay.
to spread the word to the other guys, okay?
We will.
Watch for you.
Yes,
We
sir.
will.
I got a lot of troopers out today,
Yeah, we noticed.
Yeah.
They started flooding in.
and it
They're
doesn't
like,
take
"Ooh."
much for people to call in and us come
Yeah.
out to the freeway and find who we're looking for. Give me a
sir.
second, we'll get you on your way.
All right.
Yes, sir.
My radar is going off. I'm like, I better turn that off.
He's like talking. Bah, 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 bah.
I know, and it's like powering down. That exit back there, though, was
It was a little too close for you to just kind of swerve over.
yeah, one to swerve over, and two to that wasn't an actual exit. That was just like a rest stop.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Because it was just like it's like a place for trucks just to stop.
Right, right.
Okay, I think you guys are the lucky ones, because I don't write a lot of tickets. I'm the boss. You pulled me out of my office. I got a stack of papers this big I was doing. Here's your license tags.
Hey,
Thank you,
You
sir.
guys got the warning. I bet almost every one of them are getting a real ticket.
Hey,
Okay.
can I
Thank
shake
you.
your hand?
Slow down. You've got
Thank you.
every cop in this county with their eyes out. Yeah.
Trust me, I
You better drive on your best behavior because
10 and 2.
you guys stick out like a sore thumb the way you're. And it's not even your car. Your car's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It's the way you're driving, the behavior that you are exhibiting in driving. Okay. It doesn't matter the features or the safety or whatever. You might make it out. You're going to cause someone else to get in a crash and damage their vehicle and hurt people. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
don't drive that. Okay.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're good to go. Safely as your blinker to get back out in the travel lane.
All
Go.
Yeah? Yeah? What do you think, Nate?
Should I just like drop the clutch right here?
Oh my god, like this.
You know who it was? I don't know. I didn't think of this. It was the incident patrol truck
Oh!
that was cruising with us. It's like, I don't think he could pull us over. I didn't think he could report us. Like, I didn't. Obviously he can, and obviously he will.
Oh my god, that explains everything. Because I'm sitting there like, how did they know that I was hanging out the window?
But he was right there.
Yeah, it explains everything.
Oh my gosh, I feel like such an idiot.
I did it right in front of him.
Just right in the background of your photos.
Oh my god. Oh, 2.
That guy's jacket matches the event anyway. I think he's just sitting there now.
Oh yeah, he just pulled some. Oh no, there's a car. There's a car.
Oh, it's John.
Oh no.
almost back to the shop. I'm going to drop off the car and then edit this video. So, sorry, I'm just super paranoid of cop cars now. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the car off, then edit this video and hopefully get it up tonight or in the morning as soon as possible. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I don't know what to do as an outro.